I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 5 Hands-on Exercise in Very Halls Publishing Company PC only. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you need help in this assignment and if you need help in this complete my lab IT course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all assignments, cap assessment, capstone and final exam with A plus grade. So I can do all my lab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, Writing Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development and many more online courses. Okay, so we will go to my lab Pearson, go to assignments section, go to Excel chapter 5 hands-on exercise in Very Hall Publishing Company. Okay, Excel chapter 5. Okay, my WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of laptop screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. So we will click on download materials button, click on download all files button. All files will be downloaded in our PC download folder. First we will open our instructions file, click on enable editing button. So the title of assignment is Exp22 Excel chapter 5 HOE Sociology 1.4. I will highlight and increase the font size of this title and increase. Okay, for a proper view in my video, you can see this is the title of assignment under this project description to get idea about your project. Then we will select this complete instruction and increase the font size of this instruction for a proper view in my video. So we can move on question number 1. Question number 1 is that start Excel download and open the file named Exp22 Excel chapter 5 HOE Sociology. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Okay. Simply we can move on Excel workbook and we will open our Excel workbook. Basically this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. So we will click on enable editing button and we can move on question number 2. In question number 2, your first task is to sort the data set on the book subtotal worksheet. Ensure the book subtotal worksheet is active. Sort the data by discipline alphabetical order and further sort it by area in alphabetical order. Okay. Ensure the book subtotal worksheet is active. First we will open our Excel workbook and we will open our book subtotal worksheet is active. Okay. The next point is that sort the data by discipline in alphabetical order. Okay. Sort the data by discipline in alphabetical order. Go to the home tab. We will select this discipline. Go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on sort and filter button. So we will click on custom sort button and first level is discipline is alphabetical order and further sorted by area in alphabetical order. So we will have to add the second label. The second label is that area. Okay, in alphabetical order, click on OK button. This data will be sorted. So we can moving on question number 3. Okay, we can move on question number 3. You want to subtotal the data set by discipline and then add a second set of subtotal by area. Use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal over discipline to calculate the total for the sales wholesales, sales retail and total book sales column without removing the first subtotal. Insert subtotal by area to calculate total for the same columns. Okay. Simply, first we will use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal over discipline to. Okay. We can move on Excel workbook, and I am going to do this question. Focus on my laptop screen. We will go to the data tab in the for 1 second. Go to the data tab in the forecast group. Click on outline button and click on subtotal button. So row by insert subtotal row by discipline to calculate the totals for the sales wholesale, sales retail, discipline, sales wholesale, sales retail. Okay, and then sales retail. Okay, and total book sales and total book sales column. Click on OK button. This is good. Without removing the first subtotal, insert subtotal by area to calculate total for the same column. Go to outline. Okay, without removing the first subtotal, insert subtotal by area to calculate total for the sum columns. Okay, we will go to the data type in the forecast group. Click on outline button. Click on subtotal button. So we will at each change in area and click on this uncheck the box replace current subtotal. We will uncheck this box, click on OK. So we will move on question number 4. Moving on question number 4, I have done 3 questions so far. Question number 4 is that next you want to apply an outline to the columns so that you can collapse or expand the units sold and unit price column. Create an automatic outline. Collapse the outline above column H and K. First we will create an automatic outline. Okay, we will go to the data tab in the outlines. Click on group and click on auto outline button. Click on yes. I have created automatic outline, so collapse the outline above column H and K. Collapse the outline above column H and K. First is okay, K and H. Okay, moving on question number 5. Next you want to create a recommended pivot table and then name it. Display the book's data worksheet and create recommended pivot using any sum of units sold thumbnail. Change the name of the worksheet to pivot table. Name the pivot table total book sales. First point is that we will display the book data worksheet. We will go to Excel workbook. We will display books data worksheet. Okay, and create a recommended pivot table using any sum of units sold thumbnail. Create a recommended pivot table using any sum of units sold thumbnail. We will go to the insert tab in the tables group. Click on recommended pivot table button. Show unit sum of units sold thumbnail. Where is thumbnail? Okay, sum of units sold radial by discipline. Click on OK. I have created a recommended pivot table. So change the name of the worksheet to pivot table. We will have to change and we will assign the name of worksheet to pivot table. Right click on sheet 2, click on rename button, and we will assign the name pivot table. So the next point is that name the pivot table total book sales. We will have to assign the pivot table name total book sales. Go to the click on this pivot table, go to pivot table analyze tab. In the pivot tables group, click on pivot table name box and we will assign the name is total book sales. Press enter. So we will moving on question number 6 of this assignment. I have done 5 questions so far. Question number 6, you want to compare total book sales by discipline and copyright year. Make sure these fields are the respective areas and remove any extra fields. place the discipline field in row, total book sale field as values, and copyright field in column. Okay. First is that make sure these fields are in the respective area and remove any extra field. Okay. Value field setting, remove field. Okay. Total book. Okay. Total book sale in the values area and then remove field. So place the discipline field in row area. Place the discipline field in the row area. Discipline field, copyright field in the column area, discipline field in the row area. So total book sale field as values and copyright field in column. You can see I have done this complete question. So moving on, question number 7. In question number 7, you will format the value in the pivot table to look more professional and change the custom name that displays as column heading. Click or select cell B5, display the value field setting dialog box and type sales by discipline. Okay. Click or select cell B5, display the value field setting dialog box and type sale by discipline as the column name. We will go to the pivot table analyze in the active fields group, click on value field setting button. So custom name is sales by discipline and then apply a counting number format with 0 decimal places. Go to the number format, apply a counting number format, 0 decimal places, click on OK. Again OK, this question is done now. So we will moving on question number 8. In question number 8, you want to replace the generic row label and columns labels heading with meaningful heading. Type discipline in cell A4 and copyright year in cell B3. Click on cell A4. We will type discipline in cell A4. Okay, and then copyright year in cell B3. Copyright year in cell B3. Click on cell B3. In the formula bar, we will type copyright year. So select the range B4 to E4 and center the label horizontally. Select the range B4 to E4 and go to the home tab in the alignment group. Let's center the alignment. So we will moving on question number 9. In question number 9, on the okay, one second. On the book data sheet, you want to insert function that will display the total sales and the total introductory discipline sales data from the pivot table. You will change the retail unit price rate from 30% to 25% and then refresh the pivot table. Display the books data worksheet in cell B1. Enter the get pivot data function to get the value from cell F10 in the pivot table worksheet. In cell B2, enter the get pivot data function to get the value from cell F7 in the pivot table. Change the value in cell J1 to 125 in the book data worksheet and then refresh the pivot table. First, we will display the books data worksheet. Books data worksheet, and in cell B1, enter the get pivot data function to get the value from cell F10 in the pivot table worksheet. Click on cell B1, press is equal to, and then we will go to pivot table worksheet. Click on cell F10 and press enter. Press is equal to, go to pivot table worksheet, click on cell F10 and we will press enter. It will be show total book sales in cell B1. And then next is that in cell B2, enter the get pivot data function to get the value from cell F7 in the pivot table. Okay. Click on cell B2, press is equal to, go to the pivot table and go to cell F7 and press enter. It will be show. Press enter. And it will be show total intro sales in cell B2. So change the value in cell J1 to 125. We will click on cell J1. We will change the value 125%. And then next is that. And then refresh the pivot table. We will refresh the pivot table. Go to the pivot data tab. Go to the pivot table analyze tab in the data group. Click on refresh button. Click on refresh all. This is so good. I just show you 9 questions right now. Now I'm going to do question number 10. You will add a field to the filter area so that you can filter the list by addition. Add the addition field to the filter area. Addition. Okay, we will add the addition field to the filter area. This addition field we will add to the filter area. So this is good. Question number 11 is that because you plan to distribute the worksheet to colleagues, you will insert a slicer to help them set filter. Insert a slicer for discipline. Move the slicer so that top left corner is just inside the corner of cell 13. Insert a slicer of discipline. We will go to the insert tab. In the filter group, click on slicer button. Click on discipline checkbox, click on OK. Slicer will be inserted. So move the slicer so that the top left corner is just inside the corner of cell A13. We will cut this slicer and move into cell A13. Go to the home tab in the clipboard group, cut slicer, go to cell A13 and paste in cell A13. Okay. I just show you 13 to 14 question. Total question is 25. If you need help in this complete assignment and if you want to do this assignment from me, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade and I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. I can do all my lab IT courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Word, and many more online courses like my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab math, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. You can simply contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and come on my WhatsApp chat. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.